In December of 2024, someone gave us this house and we had it moved to our property and began repairing and remodeling it to make it livable. We ended up remodeling the entire house, re-roofing it, re-siding it, reflooring it, new windows, all of it. It was quite the labor of love. But today I'm going to be sharing the before and after remodel of this small bathroom. It was quite dark, dingy, and dated, and it really needed to be refreshed. So we began by removing the bathroom shower surround and the bathtub and the old bathroom vanity. Then we ripped up all of the old laminate flooring. We cut out all the drywall from around the shower, and we're going to be putting in backer board for tile. Then we cut out and laid down this new laminate flooring, which I absolutely love. I found it at a local flooring place. We got a brand new metal tub and a new bathroom vanity. After installing the cement backer board, we painted it with a sealer to prevent any moisture from coming through. Then we cut out strips of Luan board, which I painted and nailed them to the ceiling to help cover up that old popcorn ceiling. This was a great budget-friendly option to prevent having to drywall the ceiling. Then we got a great deal on an entire pallet of tile. We got it all for $50 from our local tile outlet. We installed the tile and grouted it with a black grout. So here's a quick before shot of the bathroom. Very dark and dingy. And here it is now. I really love how bright and fresh it is. It looks so nice. I went with these matching brass tone faucets on the shower and the sink and added some simple cottagecore decorations. One thing you can't really see here in the video is the wood wall on the opposite side. It definitely adds a nice earthy feel to it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.